today's video. This video is sponsored by Zury Hollywood. Thank you so much, Zury, for sending over this new wig. Now let's jump right into this review. Alright, you guys, before we get started, if you're interested in this wig, I do have a review up on my channel. I will place the link here if you'd like to click back and check this wig out. But first, finish watching this video. Duh. Alright, you guys, today's wig is called Biz. I do have this wig in the color number 1B. Of course, Zury's packaging is bomb. This is a part of their Prime collection. This wig is brand new, hot off the press. This is what Biz looks like on the stock card. She looks really pretty. Oh, and she has ear-to-ear parting, which is bomb. It's a 13x4 frontal closure. So straight off the bat, I can tell you this wig is a light Yaki texture. Let's see how the hairline looks. The hairline definitely looks pretty decent. It is soft lace. You have your 2 combs on the sides, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And you definitely do have your frontal with a lot of nice parting space. I'll probably just cut off the lace and come right back to you guys. Wow, you guys, the hairline is really nice. I actually really like it. So the only issue I'm seeing with the hairline is just that the ear tabs lift up, but you could always just add a little bit of your got to be glued gel and just gel, you know, your sideburns down, and that will hold these edges down. And then the only other thing that I see that I don't like is just the circular aspect of the hairline, but you can always fix that by just cutting like a notch into your hairline, and that will take away from that circularness of the hairline. Just cutting that 1 notch will like literally take that roundness away. And that's what I always do with my frontals that are too round, and I don't like how round they are. Just cutting that 1 notch for me, it really helps. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that over here. And for, you know, you have to do it to match your hairline. You have to kind of know your hairline. And I know that my that's where my baby hairs are, right where I'm cutting this notch. So it works out well, because then I can just slick down my own baby hairs right there, and it looks good. And also I usually pull it just slightly back behind my baby hairs right here, because I do have a widow's peak, and it works out well for me doing that. So I'm gonna just pull off all those extra hairs that I just cut out. You guys, I love the way this wig is just falling so beautifully. The density on this wig is really natural, but at the same time, it's really nice and full. You know, I like a natural density, but I like it to be a thick natural density, you know? Like, I want it to have that nice, thick, sew-in type of density. I love the curl pattern on this hair. Like, it's not straight, but it's not curled either. I love that. This is like when you curl your hair, you go to the hair salon, they curl your hair, or they give you a doobie, and then you wrap it. This is like 2 days later after, you know, your curls have sort of fallen out of your doobie. And that's the exact type of curls that I love. Let me go ahead and slick these baby hairs a little bit. I'm not gonna do too many baby hairs because I don't want to mess up my makeup, because I don't feel like dealing with the bull. But I am gonna show you what I did on the side here and show you what I mean. So this is me slicking my own baby hairs. And you see how that like really helps the roundness of this wig not look so round. I'm not gonna use my Got To Be glue today, so just bear with these flaps lifting up, but you know you can just always trim this, slick these baby hairs down, and these flaps will not lift up. But just bear with me today because I really am not feeling like doing that right now. So just bear with me, guys. Use your imagination a little bit. I know you guys have a good imagination. So you guys, look at this wig. This wig is bomb. If you don't know, here on my channel, I'm not really a big proponent of parts. I just don't care for parts. I love me a nice little flip over. I'm quick to just do a mean flip over. And any wig that can do a beautiful flip over has me sold. And this one, yeah. This one can do a gorgeous flip over. I love it. It's just a style that I think works well for me, and I just love easy styles that just don't look, I like effortless looking styles. Even if it took a long time to achieve, I like for my hair to look effortless and playful. So I just think, you know, a flip over is always, and I have this issue where I'm constantly touching my hair. They have a name for it, like, HIH or something, hands in hair syndrome, like hands in hair. I always have my hands in my hair, so I have to have a style that will allow for that. I think this is really pretty. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder around the hairline. When you're adding powder around your hairline, you want to use something that has like a gray ash tone to it, but is brown. It's like a gray ash shade, but it's brown. But you see the undertone is like gray. So let's try to flip it over to the other side. Yeah, this wig is bossy. Yes, boss up with Biz. She's got the right name. Girl, this wig. Come through like a boss with this wig. Do y'all see her work? Oh, she is working it. Y'all, Biz is coming through like a straight up boss. I feel like singing that Rick Ross song. Girl, look at this. Y'all better stop it. And they got the right color in this. This is what you need in this. This is CEO hair, okay? This is CEO hair, okay? This is when you come into your board meeting, you're sitting here about to pitch your business, and you're going into the Shark Tank, and you're like, man, I need my boss wig. Shoot, I should have had my power red lip on, a nice blazer. Still gotta keep it cute though, have a little bralette underneath, like, I'm still cute though. And then if you just want to get real sexy, like, you can take it one more time, even deeper, and now you Instagram baddie. Like, you went from boss to Instagram baddie just that fast. And then you're gonna snap your pic for Instagram like this. Okay, you want to talk about versatile? Then you want to go on a date. Like, this could be date night hair. Date night hair, you don't want your hair in your face. You want all that beautiful face to show, okay? So you're going to do your middle part. You want to just be serving all types of face. You're going to do your middle part. You're going to throw your hair all the way back. You know, you're going to have just a little something right here. Okay. Because you ready to feel him out and make sure he is about that life. Make sure, you know, he's going to be on time. Make sure you're on time and just Stunning. Yes. 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 And you'll be sitting across from him just looking like all sorts of a snack. But he's not going to be able to have a taste because it's only the first date. Girl, yes. Biz, come on, Biz. This wig is cute, okay? This wig is cute. Y'all need this wig. And y'all know I rarely say go out and buy a wig. You know it's rare because I'm hard on these wigs. And I don't say it unless I mean it. This one right here, go out and buy it. Put it on your wish list. Put it on layaway. Add $5 a paycheck until you can afford to get this one. This is not one to miss, baby. I wouldn't steer you wrong. This is the one. This wig is it. Lit! Lit! Perfect length. Perfect length. Yes, baby. She's ready. What? Did y'all just see? Hold on. Did y'all just see that? So, on that note, that's all that needs to be said. Everything that needs to be said has been said. So, I'm going to leave all the links below where you can find this wig. I'm not sure the price of this wig because I'm not sure it's out yet. But when I tell you, I will go all the way up to, without thinking twice, because I see how good this wig is, I would probably go all the way up to $59 for this wig. And it will still be worth it. Plus shipping, girl. Yes. Then you add your shipping to it. You're going to get your wear out of this wig. And it's just bomb. It's fire. It's fire. So, yeah, just go ahead and put your little ducats away. Put your coins away. Because you need her.